Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Samsung just launched its Galaxy A51 here in India as it was promised by Samsung few days back. You must be waiting for Galaxy A71 too, but for A71 you will have to wait for some more time. Galaxy A71 will launch till mid-February, that is till second week of February 2020. Now let's talk about Galaxy A51. Pricing of Galaxy A51 here in India starts from rupees 23,999, which is almost 24,000. The previous leak suggested that it would cost us around 23,000, but 1,000 is extra charge by Samsung. But the good thing is that the base variant is 6 GB and 128 GB, not the 4 GB and 64 GB. The second variant which comes is a top end model which consists of 8 GB of RAM and 128 of GB. So it's a good news, we will be getting 8 GB RAM as a high end model. Specifications are really good on this device, and most interesting feature is its design. Infinity O display, as Samsung calls it, a premium flagship design. 6.5 inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED, 4000 mAh massive battery, and 15-watt fast charging support, and the fast charger is included in the box. Android 10 with latest One UI 2.0. Quad camera is also awesome on this device. We can get macro camera for macro shots, so it's a complete camera centric smartphone. And lastly, Exynos 9611 chipset. To be frank, many have misconceptions about the chipset. They call it under average chipset. No, it's not an under average chipset. It is powerful chipset in the price point of 20 to 24,000, and a brand which provides such a good name, Samsung. It is really good. You will not notice any lag in day-to-day usage. You can play PUBG in HDR graphics too with this chipset, but I know it's through a software optimization. Overall, considering the price point and the brand value, I think in 24,000 rupees Samsung has done an awesome job with Galaxy A51. We get four color options to choose from, the first one being pink, second blue, white and black. So should you buy the A51? Yes, it is a good phone and nice value for money smartphone from Samsung. Only thing which is the drawback of this device is we are paying 24,000 for the base variant, and still we are getting polycarbonate plastic body. Don't get me wrong, it is not any cheap quality plastic, but at last it is plastic, guys. The premiumness which feels after holding a phone with a metal frame and glass is different, which we will not experience with Galaxy A51, or nor we will be experiencing it with the Galaxy A71. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more future updates.